the most profitable agencies have stopped hiring expensive SDRs. Why pay a six-figure salary for manual outreach when you can build an engine that never sleeps? They've replaced headcounts with autonomous engines powered by Make.com and GPT-4o. Today, I am breaking down their exact blueprint. I've spent the last few months analyzing the back-end workflows of top-tier agencies, scaling to 7 and 8 figures. The secret isn't better prompts, it's system architecture. We're moving past simple Zapier triggers. We're talking about multi-step AI agents that research prospects, qualify them, and write hyper-personalized outreach, all without a human touching a keyboard. By the end of this video, you'll have the technical roadmap to build this yourself. We're going deep. From scraping high-intent data to using GPT-4o's reasoning for qualification, and finally, the automated delivery. If you're an agency owner or solopreneur looking to scale your B2B lead gen without increasing your headcount, you're in the right place. Most agency owners are trapped on the lead gen treadmill. You've probably tried the traditional route. You hire an expensive SDR, you pay them a base salary plus commission. Then you wait. But the results are always the same: generic templates, low reply rates, and a constant fear that your domain is about to be blacklisted. Or maybe you're doing it yourself. You spend hours researching prospects, tweaking a few words in a cold email, praying for a response. This is the scaling bottleneck. If you want 10x more leads, you think you need 10x more people. Your overhead spikes, your margins shrink, your stress grows. But here is the cold truth. Manual prospecting is a dying art. While you're grinding through spreadsheets, the top 1% of agencies have completely removed themselves from the process. They aren't working harder. They've just replaced the human bottleneck with a machine that doesn't sleep, doesn't make mistakes, and doesn't ask for a raise. They aren't using basic automation. They're using autonomous logic. Most people use AI to write a few emails. That's amateur hour. The top 1% of agencies don't use AI as a writing tool. They use it as an orchestrator. We are building an autonomous lead engine, a system that finds the prospect, researches their business, writes a hyper-personalized pitch, and loads it into your sending tool while you sleep. Let's dive into the technical architecture. Step 1, the trigger. You need a clean data source. We're using Apollo.io. Instead of manual exports, we use a Make.com webhook. The moment a lead matches your ideal customer profile and enters a specific list, the automation triggers. No manual CSV uploads, no friction. Step 2, the intelligence layer. This is where the magic happens. We aren't just asking GPT-4o to write an email. That leads to generic fluff. Instead, we use a multi-step research chain. First, Make.com triggers a web scraper to pull the About Use page and the latest 3 blog posts from the prospect's website. Then we feed that raw data into GPT-4o with a strict persona prompt. We tell it, you are a world-class B2B strategist. Analyze this data. Identify one specific business pain point this company is facing right now. This transforms a cold email into a warm conversation. Step 3, the personalization engine. We use a second GPT-4o module to draft the first line. The rule is simple: no compliments. No, I love your website. Instead, we instruct the AI to connect the identified pain point to our specific solution in under 20 words. Generic, I see you do marketing and I can help. Engineered, noticed your recent shift towards short-form video, but your conversion rate on the landing page is lagging. That is how you get a 15% reply rate. Step 4, the delivery. Now, Make.com pushes this lead and the custom AI-generated intro directly into Instantly or Smart Lead via API. The lead is placed in a sequence, and the AI intro variable is automatically populated. Step 5, the feedback loop. Finally, we set up a watcher. When a lead replies, Make.com catches the webhook, updates your CRM, whether that's HubSpot or Pipedrive, and sends a high-priority alert to your Slack channel. You've just replaced a full-time SDR with a workflow that costs pennies per lead. To build this engine yourself, you'll need a Make.com account. I've put a dedicated link in the description to get you started for free. Now look at the numbers. When you shift from manual outreach to this autonomous system, the ROI is immediate. We're talking about moving from 20 manual emails a day to 200 hyper-personalized messages without hiring a single SDR. That is how the top 1% scale. They don't work harder, they build better systems. If you want my exact blueprint for this setup, I've linked the template below. But before you dive in, if you're serious about leveraging AI to reclaim your time, hit subscribe. We're breaking down the next generation of AI automation every single week. Let's get into the implementation.